I'm starting to become friends with someone, or ano, tapos parang never mo may expect na in love ka na pala dun sa tao na yun. Parang, ha? Lalo na pag hindi ka talaga naghahanap ng relationship at that point. So, I think it's possible talaga eh. I mean, for
Naligawan.
I'm sure.
Naligawan ka na ng ano?
Totoo ba?
Di ba?
Totoo.
Wala pang naliligaw
Wala
sa akin ng
nangahat
babae.
talaga.
But medyo sa segue na point dyan kasi alam naman ng lahat na best friends kayo ni Michelle. And si Michelle man is very open with her, ano, di ba? With her personality.
Her, ano,
And
ang
her sexuality.
Joke lang.
Anong feeling na may best friend na LGBT tulad ni Michelle?
Ah,
Hindi ka ba naliligawan?
wala namang iba sa feeling. Normal naman.
Hindi ka
yung
naliligawan?
feeling. Never, no.
So paano kayo mag-best friend?
Hindi nga namin ma-imagine eh. Kasi actually, kaka-shoot lang din namin ng GL na magpakailanman episode. Tapos, meron na din. Like, ito, yung latest na magpakailanman kami yung, yung gumanap.
So,
And
sa friendship.
sa totoo lang, hirap na hirap kami kasi tumitingin pa lang ako sa mukha niya, natatawa na ako eh. Na wala naman sa eksena, dramahan to. Pero pag nakikita namin isa't isa na umaarte, parang tapos yung tawagan namin doon kasi is mahal. So parang pag ginaganon pa lang namin, natatawa na kami kasi nakikita kami everyday.
Best friends kayo?
Mahirap ba yon yung ganung sitwasyon?
Mahirap ang...
Sa totoo lang, I always find it easier to work with people na first time, yung you're getting to know pa lang. Tapos it's a challenge, pero I love working with my friends also, but it's a different experience naman. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi ako masyadong machika behind the scenes, but when my friends are there, that's the only time I'm like, oh no.
Pero yun nga, yung friendship nyo ni Michelle, kumusta? Paano nyo na-maintain?
Ba't hindi i-meme?
Hindi kasi, di ba? Parang sa iba.
Walang judgment.
Oo, ganun.
Wala talaga. You know, it's so important kasi we live together, di ba?
Yung
So
pa, isa
nakikita
pa yun.
namin yung pinaka-imperfect versions of ourselves. Nakikita namin ang isa't isa na we had a bad day, we're really not at our best. She's seen me cry multiple times. She knows all my secrets. I know all of hers, I think. But ayun, I think the key lang is we're a group of girls na we're so supportive towards each other. Actually, we give boyfriends and girlfriends a run for their money because that's how loving and supportive talaga we are, and we make sure that each member of the group is treated right.
Ilan years na kayo BFF ni Michelle?
Short nga lang eh. We all became friends nung nung pandemic lang. At saka medyo ending ng pandemic.
You still live together, di ba?
Yeah, we still live together. We're on our 3rd year of rent.
Happy
Doon
lahat.
ko naaalala kasi yung kontrata namin. 3rd year na pala tayo.
Rian, tanong ko lang.
Na-present mo naman itong story kay Sam,
Yes, oo. Napanood ko. Actually, tuwang-tuwa siya. Oo, kasi Glyza and I, na-meet niya si Glyza. Well, actually, na-meet niya pala si Glyza dati sa Wawa Win. Pero yung nag-meet kami all together kasi kami ni Glyza, pumunta kami sa Araneta Coliseum one time. Tapos pumunta si Sam, sinundo niya ako. So we all hung out together. And then, he is so happy that we have a project. Kasi nung nakita niya pa lang kami nung time na yun, sinabi niya kagad eh, dapat magka-project kayo, no? Sa kanya pa nang galing, di ba? Manager.
Pero note niya na may pinanggalingan na kayo.
Yes, alam niya yung Rich Man's Daughter. At saka, syempre, nababasa niya yung mga comments sa page ko na laging hinahanap
yung
si
Glyza.
Glyza. Oo, so nung nakita niya kami together, sabi niya, gets ko, parang bagay ka kayo
Diba?
in
Siya
some
nagselos.
ways. Ay, hindi naman. Hindi
Yan ang
naman.
feeling mo
Iba
na
naman
parang
yun.
Sa mga naging collab team mo yata, even way back, even when you were starting, parang si Glyza yung sobrang tumatak. To think na, kumbaga, unconventional yung team up niyo, di ba? Hindi siya yung normal.
Oo, well, I guess iba talaga ang energy ng isang Glyza de Castro. Natalo niya yung iba.
Di ba natalo nga mga mean?
Wow!
At least, yan walang doubt si Sam sa iyo na baka meron. Kung buhita ka.
I feel like feel like we all know he's a very confident guy, and that's what I love about him. And I'm a very confident girl, so we don't doubt each other talaga. I think we also do whatever it takes to make each other feel sure and loved and confident.
May medyo na-surprise ako na walang nag-attempt sa'yo ng mga, let's say, LGBT
Totoo
to record
yun.
you. Kumbaga, yung beauty mo na yan, yung after,
Liza,
especially
meron
after
lang,
doing pa na Rich Man's Daughter and everything. At hindi ka ba naman, ba't kaya? Ba't ka walang nag-attempt?
Wala, nakaka-insulto na nga. Maligaw naman kayo, charot. Hindi. Oo nga, kahit after Rich Man's Daughter, wala talaga nanligaw pa sa akin na girl. So I don't know what it's like. I don't know what the difference is. I don't know what the experience is.
Wala din. Sa school.
No. We just played spin the bottle.
Rian,
But there was no ligaw.
Rian, question ko lang, ano ang feeling mo na si Sam lumalakas sa Maynila? Handa ka na bang maging mayora?
Well, of course, I'm so happy for him, and he definitely deserves it. If he gets people's love, it's because he also gives so much love. Handa na ba ako? More of takot ako, pero if it happens, then I'll be the happiest person kasi I know that the position went to someone with a pure heart who won't use it for any wrongdoing. Ayun, I just believe in his heart is golden and he's really doing it for the right reason. So I'll be the happiest person for him.
Rian, nakita kita na maraming panahon, sa maraming beses na pag ni Sam sa Maynila, nariyan yan basang-basa ka na, diretso ka pa rin. Nariyan yung siksikan yung mga tao, nandiyan ka pa rin. Particularly sa Sampaloc na basang-basa ka. Binibigay mo ba talaga ang lahat kahit mabasa ka, matulak ka ng mga tao? Bakit mo ginagawa ito para kay Sam?
Well, honestly, especially pag panahon ng mga medical mission at saka kunwari pag mandalas pala nagkakaroon ng sunog doon. Nagulat na lang ako nung malaman ko kung gaano kadalas. Pag may baha, 'di ba? So pag namimigay kami parang nagiging normal lang naman siya eh. Hindi naman namin na-feel na, ay, basa tayo, naulanan tayo, or basa tayo ng pawis, or may tulakan, or anything. Hindi na namin naiisip kasi, well, siguro dahil nanggaling naman din ako sa showbiz. So, I have experience naman din with large-scale outreach projects where, there are, a lot of people. And I think we're basically naman just doing our duty eh. Whether or not naman tumatakbo siya, yun din naman ang ginagawa namin. Ayun, actually, isa yun sa mga bagay na nagkasundo kami. Na let's be useful people, let's be helpful people, and let's make our lives naman more meaningful, or the meaning of success more meaningful to us.
Habol na lang akong question na isa. Kumusta yung marathon?
Oh my gosh, it was so hard but so fun. Yung mga tao sa New York, lahat pala sila pag may marathon, nasa labas sila ng bahay, they line the streets. Para siyang malaking street party. And then, hinihintay ka nila, may nakalabas lang sila na box ng tissue, kung kailangan mo mag-blow ng nose kasi malamig eh. Makita niyo yung ending photo ko, pulang-pula yung ilong ko kasi ilang beses ako nag-blow ng nose. They're waiting with bananas, energy drinks, whatever they can do to help you finish, and then they make their own signs na chini-cheer ka. So, kahit pagod ka na, kahit may mga masakit na sa paa mo, sa tuhod mo, or whatever, parang gaganahan ka to push through eh. Akala ko tuloy rockstar ako. Kung paano sila mag-cheer, akala mo kilala ka nila, tapos parang rockstar ka na sikat.
Tumayo, actor ka.
Ilang meters yun? 42?
42 kilometers. First time ko din yun eh. Pero, in fairness, maraming mga Filipino marathoners na talagang very competitive at nakakatapos sila ng 42 kilometers in a matter of 4 hours, 4.5 hours. Yung
Ikaw,
mga
kayo, ilan ba?
8.
Two days?
Hindi, kasi medyo nung mga 10 kilometers left, hindi na kaya ng tuhod. Yung parang maka 3 steps lang kami, mahuhulog kami bigla. So, ayun, may mga times na nilakad namin hanggang ma-feel namin na, uy, medyo kaya ko na yatang mag-jog ng konti. Ganun. So, towards the end,
Ian, what can you say about your 2024?
Thanks,
Very
Ian.
busy, napakadaming project, ilang beses kang marap sa press.
yeah, unbelievable. I can't believe
What
naging
can you
ganito
say about
yung...
your 2024?
It all started off on a high note. Tapos, I think it started off on a high note because of Royal Blood. And then, I've just been receiving one good and challenging role after another. And, you know, my adrenaline is really very high right now. And I'm powering through. This is the year na I lacked sleep the most, but it's also the most fulfilling to me kasi ang daming, I get to tell stories that really impact people and make a difference. Yeah, and I hope it carries on into 2025. In fairness, may ganito pa pala akong energy. Akala ko,
Ano yun, magbabakasyon, anong gagawin, anong activity? Ito ba ibibigay mo sa sarili mo, sa family mo, or trabaho pa?
I wish I could tell you na meron akong Christmas break, but I'm actually shooting another project in December na kahit Pasko na.
Thank you.